Zadar now for 639 kilometers. Remaining 195 kilometers of Croatia will meet me at Bosnian border. Just 15 kilometers away from Zadar.
As I leave Zadar behind, my wheels now trace the edge of the Adriatic Sea, cycling south towards the ancient city of Split. This segment of the journey offers some of the most breathtaking coastal views, where the azure waves meet wild, untouched beaches. Along this stunning coastal road, every turn brings a new panorama, with the Adriatic Sea glinting under the sun. The route is dotted with secluded beaches, offering a pristine natural escape far from the bustling tourist spots. It's just the sea, the sky, and the open road. Elements that blend to create a tranquil yet exhilarating cycling experience. As I pedal through this serene landscape, I'm reminded of the freedom that cycling brings. The sound of the waves, the salt air, and the rhythmic motion of cycling form a meditative experience. It's moments like these, with the sea sprawling beside me, that truly highlight the joy of bike touring. Including this segment of the journey, we've covered some of the most picturesque stretches of Croatia's coastline. From the wild and tame beaches to the approaching buzz of Split, this ride has been a blend of tranquility and thrilling discovery.